What's the meaning of contamination? Contamination. Contamination.
Contamination. Contamination. Contamination refers to the presence or introduction of any harmful or undesirable substances or organisms into an environment, product, or material. The result of contamination can range from minor issues such as stains or discoloration, to major health hazards like food poisoning or environmental pollution. Contamination can harm both human and animal health and can damage the natural ecosystems. It may also lead to economic losses due to spoilage or recalls of products. Contamination control is essential in various industries including food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics to ensure the safety and quality of products.